Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to cancel your Absa credit card. So all official step you can see on your screen. So there you can see there is an option by which you can cancel your account, credit card account, that is ASBA Stop Card Center. You need to contact on this number, and once you get connected you need to tell them that you wish to cancel your credit card, and they will ask you some questions and they will cancel your account after your confirmation, and that's it. Or you can visit your nearest branch and you can go over there and you can tell them that you wish to cancel your account, and that's it. So these are the two methods and by which you can cancel your account. The online method is a little bit tricky, so that's why I'm not telling in this video. So the best way and the best method is you can visit on your nearest branch, or you can call on this number as you can see on my back side. So this is the method by which you can cancel your Absa credit card. Okay, so hopefully you get my all the points. If yes, please hit a like button, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.